Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're introducing an incredible AI tool for presentations. Say goodbye to hours of designing and perfecting slides. This tool will revolutionize the way you create and deliver your presentations. Visit the official site of Tome app. Then click on Try Tome.
You can log in with your Google account or register your email. Once you are logged in, click on Create button on top right corner. Multiple options will appear. Here just enter the topic name on which you want to create presentation and hit Enter button. You can add or remove slide by clicking on plus or minus button. Once everything is okay, click on Continue button. And your slides will be ready in seconds. Now you can make changes to the slides. You can change theme of the slides. Photos of slides can be adjusted. There are multiple options for editing text. Once everything is okay, click on the Share Link option on top right corner. You can also download slides by upgrading to Premium option.
Thank you for watching this video.